Do you chat in Thai คุณแชทเป็นภาษาไทยไหมคะ Today I'll teach you real Thai for messaging and phone calls. Let's go. When someone calls you, Thai people usually say, "Hello ka." Hello. Simple and natural. Your friend sends you a message. กำลังทำอะไรอยู่ What are you doing? You'll hear this almost every day. You can reply, ตอนนี้ฉันยุ่งอยู่ I'm busy right now. A very useful phrase for everyday conversations. Then say, เดี๋ยวโทรกลับนะ I'll call you back. Thai people say this all the time. Need to meet someone? Say, ส่ง location หน่อย Send me your location. Very useful when meeting friends. When you arrive, say, ฉันถึงแล้วนะ I've arrived. Short, friendly, natural. One more. ทักมานะ Text me. You'll hear this very often in Thai chats. These are just a few examples. Now, let's learn how Thai people really use them in everyday conversations. Welcome to K-Life Blend by C&K. Learn Thai with love. Real Thai, real life, real connection. Do you chat in Thai? คุณแชทเป็นภาษาไทยไหมคะ Today, we'll learn real Thai conversations you can use every day. Phone chat, messaging, real-life conversations. การโทรและแชท Let's begin. Our first word is call. โทร One more time. โทร Now let's learn a useful sentence. โทรหาฉันได้เลยนะ You can call me anytime. Repeat after me. โทรหาฉันได้เลยนะ When answering the phone, Thai people usually say, "Hello ka." Hello. Simple and polite. Here's a common question. กำลังทำอะไรอยู่ What are you doing? You'll hear this every day. Here's a natural reply. ตอนนี้ฉันยุ่งอยู่ I'm busy right now. Very useful when you can't talk. Then you can say, เดี๋ยวโทรกลับนะ I'll call you back. This sounds warm and natural. Meeting a friend? Try saying, ส่ง location หน่อย Send me your location. A phrase you'll use often. When you arrive, ฉันถึงแล้วนะ I've arrived. Short, natural, friendly. Need someone to message you? Say, ทักมานะ Text me. Easy and very common. Mini dialogue. Let's read a real conversation. กำลังทำอะไรอยู่ ตอนนี้ฉันยุ่งอยู่ เดี๋ยวโทรกลับนะ What are you doing? I'm busy now. I'll call you back. This sounds very natural in Thai. Extended dialogue. Here's another conversation. ถึงหรือยัง ฉันถึงแล้วนะ Have you arrived? I've arrived. Perfect for meeting friends. Here's a Thai tip. Small words make a big difference. Not makes your sentence sound softer and friendlier. Noi makes a request more polite. Try using these every day. You'll sound more natural in Thai. Great job so far. Now let's repeat together. Listen and speak after me. กำลังทำอะไรอยู่ What are you doing? ตอนนี้ฉันยุ่งอยู่ I'm busy right now. เดี๋ยวโทรกลับนะ I'll call you back. Excellent. Let's keep going. Let's see how much you remember. Choose the correct word. ถึงแล้วนะ or noi. The answer is na, because you're simply telling someone, I'm here. Next one. ช่วยโทรกลับนะ or noi. The answer is noi, because you're making a polite request. One more. ส่งโลเคชั่นนะ or noi. The answer is noi. Excellent. Now, let's chat like Thai friends. Your friend asks, กำลังทำอะไรอยู่ What would you say? A natural reply is, ตอนนี้ฉันยุ่งอยู่ I'm busy right now. เดี๋ยวโทรกลับนะ I'll call you back. Perfect. That's exactly how many Thai people chat. Ready for a speaking challenge? Let's go. Number 1. I'm here. ฉันถึงแล้วนะ Excellent. Number 2. Text me. ทักมานะ Very good. Number 3. Send me your location. ส่ง location หน่อย Amazing. You're doing so well. Now it's your turn. Here's today's mission. Before today ends, send one message in Thai. You can choose เดี๋ยวโทรกลับนะ or ฉันถึงแล้วนะ or ทักมานะ When you've done it, come back and comment done. I'd love to hear from you. You're doing amazing. เก่งมากเลยค่ะ Remember, every small conversation helps your Thai become more natural. พูดบ่อยๆ แล้วคุณจะเก่งขึ้นทุกวันนะคะ Keep practicing, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep enjoying your Thai journey. Congratulations! Now you can chat in Thai more naturally. ตอนนี้คุณแชทภาษาไทยได้แล้วค่ะ Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope this lesson helps you feel more confident using Thai in real life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is learning Thai too. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye! K-Life Friend by CNK. Learn Thai with love. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ